Hi, I'm Terrell Logan, and I'm playing Helldivers 2. And if there is one thing I've learned in 75 hours of playtime, is that there is no problem in this game that cannot be solved without many explosions. So I'm going to blow things up. So as you can tell, I've played this game a bit. And I'm going to prove to you that explosions solve everything by bringing many explosions. Because I want Mantis back. Okay, random teammates, let's go kick robots in the nuts. Hey, you want a bomb? Yeah, you like bombs, don't you? Here's my proof that anything is solved with explosions. Ignore the bot drop. Just enjoy the view. Yeah, I did it. I did the trick. Do you want more? Okay, I can give you more. Yeah, okay. Fine. You asked for it. Oh, hold on. Wait, no. Ugh. See? Explosions solve everything. Such as this explosive autocannon. These automaton bastards will pay for the level on Creek. I have not used the autocannon in ages. I didn't grab the support backpack. I didn't grab the ammo. There we go. Now I can actually reload. We'll get there. Ooh, something I can bomb. Hold on. Boy, do I have a present for you. That'll do it. Yeah, that'll do a trick. Yeah, they did. Oh, yeah, they did. Okay. Oh, my teammates are in some fight. I should probably help them. Alright, you dirty robot scum. Eat explosions. Ow! Grenade! Oh. Grenade! I'm on fire, it's fine. I'm the best. Oh, hello. How are you doing? Oh, wait. This isn't good. What's that? Whoa, no! Oh, that's wonderful. Yeah, hi. How you doing? So you're just kind of on my stuff. I'm just gonna grab this. This isn't mine. I don't care. I'm gonna shoot you in the face. And then, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm also gonna shoot you in the face. You're dead, because you're an idiot.
Well, that's not ideal.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Charge! Grunt! Hello. You won't see this one coming, will you? Oh yeah. Bamboozled. You buffoon. Oh, he's so confused. Uh-oh. Beat his ass! He doesn't know what to do. He's such a buffoon. Ugh. Uh-oh. Ah, it's not good! Oh no! Hi! How you doing? No touchy. Oh. Idiot. Why?
Southeast, on my position.
You absolute buffoon. What? It's just lob grenades and, you know what? Yeah, go. Ooh, my autocannon. That's not right. What? Buddy. Can I have my... There we go. There we go. Oh, hi. How you doing, sir? Okay, yep. Yeah, lovely. He's not very polite, is he? Yes. No. That was very rude. I don't think he would do such a thing. I think we need to show him a bit of democracy. And I would love a reinforce. Alright, would be cool. Guys. Hello? Yeah? Yeah. Can I just call in a new one? I can just call in a new one. That old auto kind of betrayed me. Because it couldn't aim. It was dysfunctional. What do you mean I can aim? It was the gun's fault. It was a traitor to democracy. But this one is mine, therefore this one's better. The other one was mine, but it was not good. Whoa! What happened? Why? No. What was that? I'm sorry. Okay, I'll bomb you then. Fine. Yeah. Run! Hey, come on, keep going. Oh, there's other guys. We are already half out of reinforcements. That's not good. We'll be fine. Democracy protects us, always. Every day. Ah! You have made a critical mistake of revealing your location. Fools. I will now abuse this by not hitting any of my shots. Hold on, can you just wait for 20 seconds? Yeah, please. Hold on, I said wait! Come on. Don't you want to be bombed? Oh!
Reporting to the front.
I did all of that. Yeah, all me. Hey, they might have been here to support me, and I appreciate that for moral support, but I did all of that. By myself. Oh, super! Ow, my neck. Ooh, a gun. Hey, so... I want to go back. I want to go home. No, I'm done. No. It's like malevolent. There's a Hulk! I didn't even have a backpack. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, look, forgive me. But I'm just gonna run. Yeah, I can't do much about that, can I? Eat 500 kg. Please. Oh! It landed directly on him. He never saw it coming. Idiot. Little does he know that he's up against democracy and freedom. Do you want the same happening to you? Really? Did you see what just happened to your friend? I dropped a 500 kg bomb on top of him. On top of him. Not just near him. It landed on him. Can you... Stop. Yeah, into the forest I fire. I'll hit something eventually. I didn't hit anything. Whatever. Oh. No, wait. Run. No. L1, run. It's not worth it. It's not worth it, man. Run. Oh, what'd you look about? Hey, look, I think you need a bit of practice on your aim, buddy. Let me just, yeah. Okay, well. He tried. A for effort, I guess. Wait, no. F for being not managed democracy. Sounds like you want a 500 kg bomb. Oh, that's a bit close. Oh, well. I didn't hit anything, but at least it looked cool. Hurry up, I want to launch nuclear weaponry! Sorry, I have to stop the salute. I'm frozen in place, I can't do anything. No, can't do anything. I have to salute until the nuke drops. I have to shoot until the nuke drops. Not allowed to move, no. That Hulk is stuck, I think. Hopefully. Yeah, he's fine. I think I just tripled the amount of chest hair I have. Holy shit. Oh my god. What is going on? What is happening? Hops. That's all you're gonna say. Oopsie daisy. I only nuked my teammates. Oopsie daisy, silly me. It's just a goof, that's all. That's a cannon turret. What? 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 I'll land on a mine. That's what'll do the trick. I just ate a mine to the face. Yeah. Ow. I'm burning. I'm fine. Oh, that's not fine. What is happening? I can't... I hate these cluster bombs. Where did I? Okay. Hi. Hi, buddy. Oh. Oh, right, a cannon turret exists. I was just gonna try and do a loop-de-loop again and bamboozle a buffoon. However, I was a buffoon that got bamboozled. Hello, buffoon. How are you? You're dead. Whoa. Oh, there's so many of these fucking... Die. Just... I hate you. I don't like you. Shield, man. I shouldn't go in that hole.
Fire in the hole!
Really? Can you seriously not shoot past a rock? Aye. Anyway, let's extract. Not because we're pussies, but because we're the best, and we've already killed everything. Ignoring that whole side of the map. We have one reinforcement left. Teammates always dying. Always dying teammates. So dumb, teammates. Ugh, always with teammates. Obviously. Yaha! Kaboom! What's that? Huh. What's this? No. I have a random urge to stand on top of that. Hi. I've never seen an autocannon before. I've never... That's a lot of lasers. Please stop firing lasers at me. What even is over there? What are you... What is over in that general... Just... You know what? Just... I don't know what's over there, so you know what? I'm just gonna... Full auto. Oh... Yeah, okay. I just... And all of my limbs were broken. Just full auto into... Oh, okay. Well, that was uneventful. What? What? Why? What just happened? The ship just disappeared and then... Oh, my head. Rocket. Death. Oh! Please. Pelican 1, hurry up, man. Hurry up. I can't kill this one guy. Please. Pelican 1, please. Oh my god. Ow. What'd you do that for?
This is Pelican 1. I have visual on the extraction.
I'm not afraid to auto-cannon you. Ow!
Progress.
No! Are you kidding me? Democracy can only protect one for so long. Oh, he's the last guy as well. Come on, just run for ship. Go on, man. You got us. Yeah!
To depart. Shuttle launch in 20 seconds.
That's not... Yeah! There we go. We're the best. Ever. I definitely extracted with my whole team. What do you mean? See, now the game's just bugged, right? Because it says failed to extract when actually it should say I extracted. It should say my wonderful name saying that I extracted right there. This game's lying to me. It's actively working against me. After all I've done for it. All I've done. Hours I've put in this game. And it betrays me like this. Maybe. Maybe, just maybe I'll continue playing this game. Like the addict I am. Hey, so that was a very cool mission where I solved everything with explosions and where everything died, and not including me. I didn't die once. No, I extracted, like the amazing Helldiver I am. No, they don't. I march ever closer to them. Okay, so what's this? Probably rescuing civilians? Okay, that's cool. Sounds like an excuse to bring. Let's see. Yes. 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 Bombs. My favorite. Boom, 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 boom. Ah, we're just eradicating. You know what? Yeah, I love killing automatons. Instead of normally cowering behind my mortars, I'm gonna go face to face. I'm gonna go punch him in my nuts, even though... Do robots have nuts? Even more reason to punch him in my non-existent nuts, just to show them what the pain actually feels like. I don't think I can punch that in my nuts. Hi. That's a threat. Whoa! No! Okay, it's just not a great start to my endeavors. Hold on. You, sir. Do you like bombs? I do. It's gone. Hi. That'll probably get him. Oh. Yeah, I'm the best. Idiots. Whoa. Yeah, why are my airstrikes taking so long to cool down? Okay, we won. Come here, tank. Yeah. You will suffer my wrath. Yeah. Die. Perish. I punch a robot. Punch him. Yeah. Robot punched. Come on. Whoa, this isn't good. Nah, it's fine. Barrel stuck, idiot. Well, I'll say this is a rather large success. I punched a robot, I shot my tank in the back with just my primary weapon, and it died. Another victory for the right side of history. You know, I have to fulfill my promise of explosions solve everything, and I've always sort of proved that. I didn't bring a full load of explosions. This time, I will prove.
Explosives will truly solve any problem you will ever have in life.
Let's see. I'll have a bunch of this and that. Yeah, that'll do. Yeah, that sounds fun. I'm a contributing member to this team. The robots will never know what hit them when I unleash multiple rounds of explosive ordnance from orbit that could either hit me, my teammates, or the robots. Most likely me. And my teammates. It probably won't hit the robots. In fact, it won't hit the robots, let's be honest here. But at least it's funny. Look, if the fate of humanity's children are in my hands, then that's not good. Okay, look, have you seen my loadout, Mr. Democracy Officer? I have enough explosive ordnance to drill to the core of this planet with just explosives. Hee-yaw! Get bombed, loser. Huh. It appears I've... Where's my leg? I don't like that direction. Buddy. Buddy. Ah, democracy. I didn't kill anything, did I? Whoa. Die! 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 Run! He's still alive! Is he dead yet? He's alive! He's alive! I got... Just, you know what? Eat resupply, loser, bitch. Quick, we gotta get out of here. The rock dong will never survive this. Get in. Guys, get in now. Guys, get in. Guys, get in. You don't want to be. You can make it be. Hey, I mean, it's his fault, clearly. He just, yeah, he didn't make it in time. He didn't make it in time. He ran out of time. That was not my fault. What do you mean? So today's crusade comes to an end. But fear not, as I will return to these surfaces once more to bomb more robots and potentially bugs. This ship is a mere containment. It merely holds me whilst I build up rage and anger and destructive tendencies, but it can't contain me for much longer. Oh no. Sometimes I just get a bit bored. Sometimes I drop onto the surface of a planet and bomb bugs. But that's for next time, so goodbye.